Hello friends, welcome to my channel TechGetter Official. In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable all the new features from the biggest December 2025 update for Windows 11, covering both version 25H2 and 24H2. The steps shown in this video apply to both versions, so you can follow along no matter which one you're using. As you may already know, Microsoft rolls out new features gradually. Many of these features are already included inside the operating system, but they remain disabled by default. If you want to access them right away instead of waiting, you'll need to enable them manually. In this video, I'll show you how to unlock almost all the major features included in this latest build. If you enjoy videos like this, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to TechGetter Official and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss future uploads. Now let's get started. First, we need to set up ViVE tool on our system. Download the latest version of ViVE tool from the article linked in the video description. Make sure you download the correct zip file for Intel or AMD systems. Once downloaded, open File Explorer, right-click the zip file, and select Extract All. Click on Browse, and extract the files into a dedicated folder. For example, go to this PCH local disk, C, create a new folder named Hidden Features, and extract the files there. Once done, copy the folder location. We'll need it for the next step. Now open the Start menu, type CMD, right-click on Command Prompt, and select Run as Administrator. When prompted by User Account Control, click Yes. Inside Command Prompt, type CD, then paste the folder path where you extracted ViVE tool and press Enter. From here, we'll run several feature IDs to enable the new Windows 11 features. A big shout out to Phantom of Earth on Twitter, X, for discovering and sharing these feature IDs. First, we'll enable the main feature bundle. After running the command, you should see a message saying, Successfully set feature configuration. This bundle enables most of the major new features automatically. Next, if you want additional improvements, you can enable extra feature IDs. These include taskbar auto-hide improvements, the option to share any window directly from the taskbar, the new device card on the settings homepage, the updated About page, the cloud file search toggle in File Explorer, updated widgets, and the new minimized context menu in File Explorer. Once all commands are completed, close Command Prompt and restart your PC. After restarting, you'll notice the changes immediately, such as the new device info card in Settings, the updated About section, advanced workspace customization options, the new mobile devices page, improved File Explorer dialogues with dark mode, and the new minimized context menu. You'll also see taskbar animation improvements, fixes for taskbar auto-hide issues, updated widgets, enhanced drag-and-drop sharing, and a new option to disable the drag tray under Settings, System Nearby Sharing. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable notifications so you never miss future Windows updates and tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.